This is where you are on the subway, or shopping malls, etc. Public place. The interior of a common escalator solved my years of doubts. It turned out to be so complex and huge. I have to say this is a genius inventor. Just stand on it and don't do anything. He will take you up or down, save effort and time. So how did he make the stairs move? Let's take a look at how it works. The escalator is composed of a series of independent steps. Each piece is a separate metal structure, surface with anti-skid design and yellow warning line. There are 2 sets of wheels at the bottom of each step. The front wheel of the step is fixed without pin. Run on the drive chain. Rear wheel slides on inner rail. The entire drive chain is a circular cycle. Then the steps. How do you turn a slope into a ladder? It returns to a flat surface at both ends. The secret is that the wheels travel on different tracks. The front wheels are connected to the drive chain on the upper track. The rear wheel is stuck on the lower inner rail. When the escalator rises, the lower track is gradually approaching. The steps slope into a staircase. The upper track gradually separates again. Steps become platforms, convenient for passengers to get on and off. Same reason. It's the other way down. When you reach the end point, the steps flip over, forming a closed circular path of motion. Cycle. So, how did the escalator lift such a huge load? The answer lies under the top of the elevator. A giant electric motor is running day and night. There's a spindle at the top of the elevator. The motor is reduced through the gear set, and it drives to big gears. To pull the drive chain, the handrails of the escalator pass through another set of axles and gear drive. It goes through another smaller chain, connect with the lower spindle, make sure to move in sync with the steps. Handrails are usually made of rubber. The material is wrapped on the pulley track. All these components will be mounted on a giant reinforced steel frame, called a cross frame, enough to carry hundreds of passengers simultaneously. Since it is for human use, the #1 principle in escalator design is safety. Escalator upper and lower entrances and exits. Cone plate assembly provided. Precise engagement between the cone plate and the step. Any debris will be pushed out by the cone plate. Prevent foreign objects from getting stuck in the pedal gap. There are also safety brushes on both sides of the steps. Prevent the carrying skirt from being drawn into the edge. This seemingly simple design greatly improved security to prevent it from happening. Motor failure and drive chain break, etc. Risk of speeding or retrograde. Escalator. There will also be mechanical claws and brakes. 2-stage braking technology. Even if the power is cut off, it can also be used in speeding or retrograde situations. Automatic deceleration and shutdown. Make sure passengers are not harmed. In addition to that, there is also handrail brake protection, cascade protection, overspeed protection, chain brake protection, and other safety devices. All-round protection of passenger safety. So the whole escalator, it's actually a complex and massive system. There are thousands of components working together inside. How much does it cost to install an escalator? 10 or even millions. But no amount of security measures can prevent the event. So be careful when riding. Check your own clothes. Don't jump. In case of an emergency, press the red emergency on the escalator in time. Stop button.